Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of how to do the Intentions TikTok dance by Justin Bieber. Now, I know there are different versions out there, but this one is the official one by Justin Bieber's dances. Make them more Angie Blaze. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests. I really appreciate you guys leaving these requests so I know what you guys want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna break the dance into 3 parts and then we're gonna do the full dance at the end. Now, if you're a fast learner, you can always skip to the full dance preview and run through. Alright, so let's start with part 1. I'm just gonna show you the preview of what we're gonna learn. So, part 1 is going picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Boom. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do, let's start with the arms. What you want to do is say point across, and then you want to bring them out. And then from here you want to say flip it down, up, down, up. Alright, so let's just rewind. We did cross, point here, out. Now flip them down, up, down, up, right? Let's just try that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice cross, out, down, away, away. Yeah, so cross, up, go away, go away. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, go away, go away. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, go away, go away. Alright, from here, let's just do the last one. You want to bring them in. Notice I'm crossing a bit here before I say pull them out. Alright, this is no. So, from here, we just did go away, bring them in, cross a bit before you say pull them out. Alright, so let's just combine it with the first part. So we're going to go cross, out, go away, and no. Okay, let's practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, go away, and no. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go cross, out, go away, and no. Alright, let me explain the legs. So, the legs are just doing stepping, right, left, right, left, right. So it's 5 steps in total. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty simple, right? Now actually they do 6 in total. They start with the left and then they go right, left. But I think it's just confusing you because they do just step without doing any arms and then they start with the arms. I think that confuses me. If you want to start with the left, be my guest. But the right is starting with the arms, yeah? So let's just practice that. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go step right, step left, step right, step left, step right. Alright, so 5 in total. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go right, left, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go right, left, right, left, right. Now, if you feel like practicing a few times more, go ahead and do that. But if you're ready to move on, let's move on. So we just did cross, away, no. From here, you want to say the right is saying supporting your chin here. Yeah, this is pretty me. From here, you want to bring your right up and around in this circle here. The left is coming up and you're going to go whoa. Alright? Notice how I'm turning a bit to the side here to your left side. Alright, so let's go a bit back. We just did no. From here, the new part is saying support chin and then go up around and whoa. Yes, my right is down, my left is up. Let's try that again. So from no, 7, 8, you go here, up, around, whoa. Alright guys, so that was part 1. Now let's try to do a recap of the whole thing and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick recap of part 1 here. It goes cross, out, go, away, no. Pretty me, around, whoa. Now, let me explain the timing. The timing goes picture, perfect, you don't need, no, feel, boom. Alright, so let's practice that a few times. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start picture, perfect. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8, we go picture, perfect, you don't need, no, feel, boom. Alright, let's try that a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go picture, perfect, you don't need, no, feel, boom. Alright, let's try one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go picture, perfect, you don't need, no, feel, boom. Alright, moving on to part 2. So let me just show you what we're gonna learn. So part 2, right after the end of part 1 here, we wanna go gorgeous, make it drop, dead, you're a boom, boom, boom. Okay, so let me break down part 2. The first thing you're gonna do right after this, let's just do the arms. Pretty simple, you just go ski, ski. Yeah, so you just swing them around, around. I'm just gonna show you from the side. So you wanna bring them up, around, up, around. So as if you're skiing, if you've ever tried that. Alright, so 1, 2. Now the legs are just saying, just gonna show you to the front, take a step to the front with the left, just a tiny step, and then you wanna say jump down with both legs together. Alright? And then let me just show you from the side as well. So the left is already a bit in the front, but then you're gonna take a tiny step to the front again, and then you wanna say jump both legs down. Yeah? And you don't have to exaggerate, you can do a solid 1, alright? You can even say left and then just gather, alright? Up to you. So when you combine it, it's gonna show from the side. When you combine it, it's gonna be take a step and then down, alright? So it's one circle and then another circle. Yeah, and my arms are ending down here. Alright, let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go circle, circle. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go circle, down. Now, right after here, you wanna say, take a step back, yeah, with your right, and then your right arm is gonna say from left shoulder to right shoulder, or just here by your throat, yeah? So, again, we just did jump, jump. From here, take a step back with your right, the right comes up here, and then you wanna say across, alright? If you want, you can even lean a bit back. So, from here, step back. Alright, so let's try to do from here, boom, here, step back. Alright, we're gonna go slow. So, 5. Let's start from here, the end of part 1, the whoa. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go circle, circle, step back, back. Let's try again, from the whoa. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go left, jump, step right, back. One at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go round, round, step back, back. Alright, moving on. So, right after step back, back, you want to say point with your left here. Point, notice how my right drops. I'm saying point, just freestyle whatever you want. Point. And then from here, you want to say here, you're serving a big sausage here. And then to your left, and then to your right. So you're going right, left, right. Let's try that again. So, from, boom, lean back. The new part is point with your left. Hey, to your left. And then your right. And then your left. And then your right. Alright? Let's try and practice that. So where are we? We are here. Lean back. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go point left. Now right, left, right. Okay, so that was part 2. Let's try and combine the steps. Alright, so from the end of part 1, the whoa, we did step here, step back, lean, now point left, right, right. And let me explain the timing as well. So right the whoa, we go gorgeous, make and drop, did, yora, boom, boom, boom. Alright, now let's practice that a few times. So I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go gorgeous, making, and so on. Alright, so from the whoa, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go gorgeous, making, drop, did, yora, boom, boom, boom. Let's try it again, just a bit faster. So 5 from the whoa, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go gorgeous, make and drop, did your boom, boom, boom. Alright, one last time guys, from the whoa, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go gorgeous, make and drop, did your boom, boom, boom. Alright guys, now let's combine part 1 and part 2 so that we don't forget the first part. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then I'm gonna do a run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so a quick recap from the tip to top. It is picture perfect, you don't need no fill, did, boom, gorgeous, make, drop, did, your boom, boom, boom. Alright, now a quick run through. So stepping with the right to begin with and saying cross. We're going cross, out, go away, and then no, and then pretty me, around for the whoa. From here we're stepping with the left, swing around, jump, and then step back with the right arm up, go across your chest here. Then you want to say point with the left, here, right, left, right. Now the timing, let me just quickly show you. It's picture perfect, you don't need no fill, did, boom, gorgeous, make and drop, did, your boom, boom, boom. Okay guys, time to practice. So I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start picture perfect. Alright, so 5, 6, 7, 8, we go picture perfect, you don't need no fill, did, boom, gorgeous, make and drop, did, your boom, boom, boom. And now a bit faster. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go picture perfect, you don't need no fill, did, boom, gorgeous, make it drop, did your boom, boom, boom. And one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go picture perfect, you don't need no fill, boom, gorgeous, make it drop, did your boom, boom, boom.